Welcome to How to Clean a Water Fountain. For this task, you'll need 2 microfiber cloths, lime remover product, and stainless steel cleaner. First, dry down the entire surface of the water fountain, removing any excess water. Next, identify if the fountain needs a simple polish or if you need to remove scale buildup with the lime remover product. Spray the lime remover product on the microfiber cloth and wipe down the entire surface. And pay particular attention to corners and crevices. And once all the scale buildup is removed, rinse away the product with water. And now it's time to polish. Use your stainless steel cleaner and spray the microfiber cloth and wipe down the entire surface. Once again, top to bottom, sides, front and back. And once you're finished, wash away all of the stainless steel cleaner. And thank you very much for watching How to Clean a Water Fountain.